Hi, I'm Jack Kickler. I'm a service designer at Talos Dynamics, and today I'm going to be going into a little bit of what we do here and some of the tools we use with the businesses we work with. Our goal is to not only craft a premium experience for users, but for the service providers and internal teams within the organization as well. So let's talk about service design and how it compares and contrasts with UX design. UX design is centered around crafting the best experience for users, how they directly interact with the product or service. It is about making the process of using the product or service as smooth as possible and eliminating pain points that are causing friction. To make the experience as enjoyable as possible and to deliver the maximum amount of value to the customer. UX design is very user and product centered, often focusing on digital products such as mobile apps. Service design encompasses a broader scope. Service design looks at all the elements of service delivery to the user, including those who are providing the service themselves, as well as anything behind the scenes involved in providing that service to the customer, looking at all the interdependent pieces of the puzzle and finding ways to better streamline and optimize the process. At Talos Dynamics, we like to zoom out even more. The inner workings of a business are vastly complex, and there is much to be done outside of delivering the service itself. Our aim is to take this anthropological approach inherent to service design and bring it to operations before the point of sale, before the customer journey has begun. But before I get too much into it, let's back up and start with UX design. A common tool utilized in UX design is a customer journey, or a journey map. It is a way to visualize every step that the user takes, from the point of purchase onward. This includes what they're doing, what they're thinking, and what they're feeling as they purchase and use that product or service. When it comes to service design, an industry standard tool typically used is a service blueprint. It is separated into two sections, front stage and backstage. These two stages are on either side of the line of visibility here. Front stage deals with everything that the customer is directly interacting with and can see when they are purchasing and using the product or service. Backstage is everything that is behind the scenes, including people and any systems, automations, and processes involved. The purpose of the service blueprint is to plot out and map every current interaction and process that goes into delivering that service. When everything is visualized and all the pieces are connected, it can illuminate areas to be optimized and streamlined. From there, service designers will collaborate with stakeholders and other designers to prototype alternate iterations of the service structure for testing. But there's often a need to break down and map what comes before the customer enters the picture. We expanded the traditional service blueprint format into something we call a venture map. This pre-purchase portion of the venture map focuses on internal operations and processes. The goal is to not only better streamline and work more efficiently, but to focus on improving employee experience as well. It takes into account the sales funnel, marketing and advertising, strategic development and business modeling, and even the culture and vision of the business. Beyond functioning as a map or blueprint for your business, we encourage the businesses we work with to host this framework in a collaborative virtual workspace, such as Miro or LucidSpark. This way, everything is retained, and we can bring in all relevant documents, spreadsheets, assets, and even videos to be stored in the appropriate sections. The venture mapping process not only serves to assist in streamlining and optimizing operations in your business, but also as a way to communicate the complexities of your business to others with ease, to onboard and train employees, to act as a collaborative virtual workspace for your team, and to serve as a repository for your intellectual property. If you are interested in learning more about other tools and techniques we utilize for service design here at Talos Dynamics, then please click the button below and schedule a strategy session.